Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see another topic on the HTML. Okay, if you haven't watched our previous video, please go through our previous video. Okay, so we have covered the what is the doc type and what is the tags and what is the elements and also what is the HTML. We have covered in the previous HTML videos. Okay, that is present in the HTML playlist. Okay, yeah. Next one, we will go with the now basic structure of the HTML. So every each and every HTML page or HTML document whenever you are creating, so you have to follow the one of the structure. Okay, so it has to be first started with the doc type. Okay, so it has to be started with the doc type. As you can see, I have to start with the doc type. So what is the doc type? If you want to know, you just go through the previous video, so you will get to know what is the doc type. Okay, so next one is like HTML. Okay, so what is this HTML about? So this HTML tag represents the what? Root of an HTML element. And also we can use the language attribute in this, so where you can translate the what? Your whatever the web page content. Okay, so you can use whichever the language you want. So as of now here it is EN, right? So we will see in the practical session how can this language attribute will work. Okay, so next one is like head. So what is this head about? The head tag in the HTML is a container for metadata or data about the HTML document. For example, I want to give the title for the that web page, or I want to go for the metadata, and also I want to add the script styles. Okay, I want to add the script. Okay, so at that time I can just go with the head. Okay, so I can add it in the head. So yeah, and this has to be written within the HTML tag and above the body tag. Okay, so you can see another one. There is a title tag also. So what is this title tag? I have written the web page as a element in that. Okay, so what is this title is about means so which gives the title for the your web page. So you want to display any kind of title for your web page. For example, you might have seen any of the websites. For example, you see that KFC or McDonald's. So any whichever popular website if you have seen, there is some kind of they will be having some kind of logo also and some kind of the name of that website also it will be there, which we can display in that. So that is what a the title will do. Okay, and so body, it will represent the what? Body for the web page. So whatever you write it within the body tag, so it will display in the web page of that body. Okay, so let's see about the practical how it will be working. Okay, so see here. So now let me create a one page called like basic structure of HTML. Okay, so I'm just creating a one page. So in this, I'll write the what? This code itself. Okay, so whichever I have taken. So let me take this one. Okay, so let me copy here and add it here. Okay, so let me remove whatever the content is there. So or make it as no, don't worry. So let me remove this one. Okay, sorry, I have written the what title. I'll remove this also. Okay, so this is how we have to write the what? The HTML. Okay, it's not proper, I feel like, so let me use that. Okay, so you can use like this also. This is the basic structure. So what is this meta and everything? This is a meta description about the uh, HTML page. So you can see that is written in the head. So how it came means, so you just need to go with the shift um, 1. Okay, if you use the shift plus 1, then it will and try to enter it. So exclamatory will be there. So if you enter it, so it will uh, show this structure. Okay, so let me write what is HTML. Okay, and another thing, let me remove this as a document. Let me make it as a cloud institution. Okay, yes. Now let me run this. So how to run it means directly go with run, click on the run and run without debugging. Okay. So once you enter, okay. So this is how. Okay, you can see that is what is the HTML. Here you can see. And the title of that, so you can see here it is a cloud institution, which is given in the cloud institution in the title tag. Okay, so you can see the title and what is the HTML I have given in the body, so which is displayed in the body of the web page. Okay, right here. Okay, so let me tell about the language attribute. So here it is en, right? If I want to translate it into different languages, I can use it a different language code also. For Hindi, I have a HI. For Kannada, I have a KN. Like that, different languages have their code. So you can check with the using like what are the codes for the language in the HTML. If you search for that, it will give the multiple codes, multiple code for that. Okay. So now let me save it and run it again. Okay. You can see here it is giving me the translation. Okay. If I want to change it, you can change it. So let me translate into the what like different one. So choose another language whichever I want to. You can see when I translate into the Kannada, so it has given me to the HTML and the Renu. Okay. So for example, if I want to go into Hindi, I can translate it. So here you can see HTML क्या है यहाँ पर मतलब it is showing like that. Okay, even I want to go with the different languages, I can change it so whichever I want to. Okay, so let me show you again the Kannada. So okay, translate. So what it is showing, that is HTML in the Renu. Okay, so like that it will translate it. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for you guys. And I hope you understood the what is the basic structure of the HTML. Okay, so if you like this video, please like it and share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching it, guys.